Hello everyone. You've probably been wondering whether or not if you put a fish in the dark, it will turn white. And if so, why? Well, if you leave a fish in the dark, it will probably not turn completely white, but it will get lighter. This is because fish have a special type of cell present in their skin called the chromatophore. This cell responds to light and contains many types of pigments. Among these are melanins, which produce brown and black coloration. Also carotenoids, which produce orange and yellow configuration. There's another type of compound in the cell called iridophores. These don't produce their coloration in the same way that most pigments do. Most pigments reflect and absorb certain wavelengths of light. However, iridophores refract light. They don't produce a specific color, but are responsible for the shimmer you can see on the skin of many types of fish. Now, when a chromatophore is exposed to high levels of light, it spreads its pigment throughout the entire cell, and it will look somewhat like this, the dark areas being clustered pigment. Now, when the cell is like this, it gives the fish a very vibrant coloration. However, when a fish is kept in the dark, the pigment becomes condensed in the center of the cell, like this. This gives the fish a much paler coloration. However, light is not the only thing that affects the coloration of a fish. One of these is diet. Crustaceans contain high levels of pigments, including carotenoids. So, if a fish consumes high levels of crustaceans, then it will most likely have a more vibrant color. Also, fish change color during mating and territorial displays. One of the best examples of this is the three-spined stickleback. During mating season, it gains a red coloration on its underside. This is used for both mating and territorial displays. The environment a fish lives in also affects the coloration. For example, if a fish lives in a light-colored environment, such as light sand or lightly colored rock, then it will remain light in color. This minimizes the chances that it will be seen by a predator, and thus help it survive. However, if the fish lives in a dark environment, such as volcanic rock, and it retains its light coloration, it can now be easily seen by predators. So, it is forced to adopt a darker coloration. Other types of animals use chromatophores for mating displays, territorial displays, and camouflage as well. Some of these include cephalopods and also chameleons. However, these animals have much finer control over their chromatophores than fish do. Oh, what is this? Oh my! That fish is baited! Who would do such a thing? Anyway, in conclusion, if you leave a fish in the dark, it will get lighter due to its light-sensitive chromatophores in the skin.